Number two, it is the second pillar of Islam, that is Salah. That when a person offers Salah, he gets closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is better than any meditation. It gets you peace of mind. It gets you serenity. And it demonstrates the best example of universal brotherhood. And when the Muslim men, when we stand for Salah in congregation, we stand shoulder to shoulder and feet to feet. Irrespective whether the person next to you is a king or a pauper, whether it's black or white, we stand shoulder to shoulder. It demonstrates the best example of universal brotherhood 5 times every day. I'm just mentioning some of the salient features of all the 5 pillars which attract a non-Muslim. Number 3, it is a zakat. That every rich person who has a saving of more than the nisab level, 85 grams of gold, should give 2.5% as zakat, as obligatory charity, to the 8 categories, the poor, the masakin, etc. And here the people feel the closeness. And as Allah says in Surah Hashr chapter 59 verse number 7, zakat prevents the wealth from circulating only amongst the rich. It gets a closeness between the rich and the poor. So this aspect attracts a non-Muslim.